Today you will learn how to use average, max, and min. I'm going to make my screen or my spreadsheet a little bigger for you. I'm just going to be, or we are going to be just using numbers today. We're not going to set anything fancy up. So in a cell A1 where we default to, just put the number 1, 2, 3, and then in cell A2 do 4, 5, 6, in A3 7, 8, 9, and then in A4 do 1, 4, 7, in cell A5 do 2, 5, 8, and in cell A6 do 3, 6, 9. Now, what I did is I put all the numbers in column A, but I actually need an empty column in front of column A. So what we are going to do right now is you're going to move your mouse up to the letter A in the alphabet bar, right click on the letter A, and go down to Insert on the menu. It will automatically give you a column in front of our numbers. In cell A7, I want you to key in the word total. In cell A8, key in the word AVE, and this will be our abbreviation for the word average. In cell A9, key in the word MAX. This will be our abbreviation for the word maximum. And underneath that, in cell A10, key in the word MIN. And this will be our abbreviation for minimum. Click over into cell B7. We are going to add the numbers that are above cell B7. I'm going to go over to the auto sum, click on sum, and push my enter key. Now, average, max, and min are found in the same place that we find our sum, over here in the auto sum. So with B8 selected, we have clicked the down arrow next to auto sum, and because we are doing the AVE or the average, we need to also click the word average. Now it's very important that you notice, and I told you this before, Excel will highlight anything that is a number. Now the problem is when you do average, max, and min, you never include the total. You never include the total. So notice it is including the total right now. What we need to do is move our mouse up to cell B1. You're going to put your mouse in the middle of cell B1. You're going to click and hold your click down and drag that down to B6. Now you notice that the moving line is only around cells B1 down to B6. It does not include the total. This is correct, so push the enter key. You should have 357. Now I understand that looking at the numbers, you can figure out max and min. That's not what we're doing. We are learning how to do formulas in Excel. So with B9 selected, or you clicked in cell B9, since we are doing the maximum, or the max, we go up to the auto sum area, use our down arrow, click on the word max, and once again, Excel is highlighting the wrong information. We need to move our mouse back up to cell B1. We need to click in the center of B1, hold that click down, and drag it down to B6. We only want our specific information highlighted and nothing else. So we do not include the total, and we do not include anything else except for our specific information. And notice I did not include the average in this. So enter. You should have come up with 789 using the formula. In cell B10, that should be the next one that is selected, we will go up to the auto sum, use a down arrow, click on min for minimum. Once again, Excel just highlights everything. move your mouse to the middle of B1, click, hold your click down, drag down to B6. Notice we do not include the total, we do not include the average, and we do not include the maximum. At this point, everything is correct, and you should go ahead and enter, and we have 123. Now, if you click on B8, I want you to notice up here in the formula bar, it actually shows the formula. So if you click on any of these and there's no formula, then you are wrong. You need to go back and put a formula in. I will not accept it without a formula. And that is the end of learning how to do average, max, and min.